Okay, let's talk about this super cool La La Land t-shirt. I designed it to have that vintage national park souvenir vibe, except this is my version of a destination tee for a place that I visit more than anywhere else. This is a size large in a Gildan 5000 unisex tee. I'm 5'4", so you can see it hits me about mid-thigh. But if you prefer a little more shape, you can tuck it in. Or if you're like me and you like that effortless cropped look, just tie it up. It's super versatile depending on your vibe. And this design, this retro sunset, dreamy palm trees, and a little California magic, it totally looks like a gift shop tee, but way cooler in my opinion. So if you love La La Land or you just like a vintage inspired tee, grab yours at the link below and let me know how you'd style it.